problem of infertility in Northeast is increasing day by day, and the list of causes is quite long. The common causes we see in Northeast are stress, advanced age of females, male infertility factors like smoking, alcohol, hormonal causes like PCOS, and other medical problems too. At Janitva, we understand you and we are always here to help you to build a family.
Habaikiran bikin ang patay kubor hadin balawai kejingelang jong kakun hun menteri ke belalong haka shipau terek jong unaitung arhajar arpusan. Umenteri sarkar ubelong ru nong aikitin ke sarkar uba poleng do ulong ba ke sarkar kelasya mekarai ban pendo no ek interview thongkam haka grade D. Bat kene karai kenyat kat kum ke polisi ke sarkar ban pentikna kejing terekam ke basai haka rukom thongkam. Bat kebayat ru kat kum kejing bethat na katanat personal bat training jong katanat personal public grievances but pension. Ulang ru bagani kan terekam na dok sitrek urisau arhajar arpusan. Ulang ru babaro ki interview ke balabo ban penlong na dok sitrek urisau menta ke senam la pensang eno bat kinong apply kam kem dan kam chuk ban le ya ke personal interview.
The initial year that the cabinet today took up the matter of discontinuation of interview for Group D posts across the state. This proposed discontinuation of interview for Group D posts is in conformity with our well-established policy of ensuring maximum transparency in the recruitment process to various posts, beginning with Group D posts. This is also as part of our compliance to instructions of the Government of India in the Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Government of India. So, in line with this decision, all appointments for Group D posts will be done without recourse to the process of interview. This will take effect from the 1st of October 2025, meaning it will have a prospective effect, meaning that all such interviews that are scheduled from the 1st of October this year will be minus the need for the candidates to sit for personal interviews. This will also help to speed up our process of appointment and recruitment to various posts and ensure, as I mentioned, transparency and efficiency of the system.